interesting sounds, really.
Yeah.
This is also very interesting today, on the 16th of March 2022. We have Temppelikatu, Temppelikatu, 15 here in Helsinki, and it's first also when you're in Finland. This must have been more in the beginning of the 1980s, or maybe mid-80s. Yes, it was built in 1927, when I was in 1984. And it turned out 5 years old last year, when it was 1928 here, so literally United States 27, 28. Otis originally, this number is 13915. No, 13914. 13. 3 is the last digit.
Yeah.
Sorry. And with the blue logo, so this is early 84. Very likely. The Mosaic will be 40 years old in next year, 2024. It's another beautiful find, and I like the smell in here.
Same.
But the floor one, but could have been green.
Yeah.
I also like the sounds from the machine from 1984.
Yeah. Spektit kaikki vaiskutat, me teet vaikka Kone.
Yeah. Also the staircase itself is beautiful here.
Yeah.
But the smell is a bit like if they have painted recently.
Yeah.
But it's great that it's not more as generic or anything.
That's